Okay, I've got a GrassFlap installed on a Spartan 48-inch lawnmower. This is a XTF 48. The GrassFlap itself, like all GrassFlaps, mounts to the side of the mower, and in this case we're able to use existing bolt holes on the deck itself where we removed the factory discharge chute. We bolt a no-drill mount in there. Then we bolt the GrassFlap to the no-drill mount itself, and then the rest of the GrassFlap installs like normal. Plastic blocker plate, metal hinge plate, deflector angle, spring mount with spring attached, and cable connection here. And then this particular model has got a stop open here. That stop open, what it does is in the 48-inch on the Spartan, on this particular mower, the wheel sits outboard of the discharge opening, and when you open a GrassFlap without that stop, it's going to end up hitting the side of the lawnmower, so we've installed that to keep it from opening a full 180. On all the other models, that stop's not there, and so the flap will open a full 180. That's the flap side of it. Over here is the pedal side, so the pedal install is also very straightforward. On the pedal, we've got two mounting bolt holes, and those mounts actually are part of a no-drill mount, which goes into an existing hole. Got an existing hole from this rubber mat where it's attached. So we pull that tree connector out of there, put this bolt in, and tighten it right up. So you can see down here, there's the bolt for that. Cable routing then is very simple. Cable routes off the pedal, down along the side over here, and then up underneath. You'll see that the cable simply lays over this bar that's part of the brake on the mower itself. So super simple on this lawnmower. So there you have it, GrassFlap installed on a Spartan mower.